Weather Channel app, it's a 7. And it's like it's moderate, which is 4, really high. And then enhanced, which is close to moderate. So if we get a tornado, and if we get a tornado, then I don't respond till I'll see you back in the next video.